Now I'm going to teach you guys how to make your own personal password generator. Now the first thing is that you import your libraries, which is the random and the string. Then the second, you create a custom class with the name generate password and the parameter of length. Now these string.asci letters are simply the letters in your alphabet, while the string.digits and the string.punctuation are your numbers and your symbols. Now then you put the random.choice because we need to have a random selection of the characters, whether it is the letters, the digits, and the punctuations. Then we create a try and an accept with some conditions in them. First, we take an input from the user, but if the length that the user requests is less than 8, then print length must be at least 8. Then if it is not less than 8, then print the generated password with the length. And if there's an error, the value error, please enter a valid number. Now let us test. Let us click on this star, then click on the second star, then we click on the last star. Let's see. Now let's make the length 30. No, 30 is not. Let's say 12. You see, now this is your generated password, and this is definitely worth a subscribe and a like. Bye.